Think your Honolulu auto repair shop can survive without AI? Think again. Imagine customers finding you, not the big chains. Artificial intelligence-powered online presence turns browsers into buyers overnight. But here's the twist. It's not just ads. It's a digital mechanic working 24/7, optimizing your reputation, pulling in traffic, and boosting bookings. Picture your shop glowing on Google Maps, outranking rivals, and selling services like magic. Still skeptical? Auto shops using AI see up to 3x more calls and walk-ins. Meanwhile, competitors without it are left in the dust. America's Best Shops marketing agency makes this dream your reality with custom AI strategies. Your shop deserves more than just grease and sweat. It deserves digital dominance. Ready to shift gears into the future? Don't just fix cars, fix your business with AI. Ask yourself, how long can you afford to be invisible online? Let's get your phone ringing off the hook.